Need to remove a background in Canva? In this video, I'll show you the difference between Canva Pro and a free bonus tool. By the end, you'll know exactly which method works best for you, whether you're designing logos, product photos, or social media graphics. Hi there, Liesel here from VA Wonder. I create easy Canva tutorials for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creatives. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips every week. Open your design in Canva, add the photograph or image that you want to work with, and click on it. Then you will see the BG remover appears. Click on that, and your background will be removed instantaneously. Let me show you a different way to access your background remover. So click again on your photograph. You will see the background remover appear, but you can also click here on Edit. Then you will see Magic Studio, and there you will have the background remover. So you can just click onto that to remove your background. But now you can see that quite a bit of the detail of this photograph has been removed. So let's just go undo. And then you can look here at the top with select area, and you will have the options all, click, brush, foreground, background, and text. So what you can do, you can go to click, and then you can hover over the image and select the parts that you would actually like to keep. So here I have these two first cupcakes with a little strawberry. Hold the shift key, select the third cupcake and also the strawberry in the front. And then you will see a better option here would actually be the magic grab. So click onto that. The magic grab tool separates the image from the background. So you can go right click, layer, show layers, or simply Alt 1. And here you can see there's your background and there's your cupcake. So now you can just click onto the background here and delete it. So with the second method, you can exactly pinpoint which parts of the image you want to keep, and the rest of it you can delete with the background. Now let me show you the free method. Make sure that you've got an image ready that you would like to remove the background of. Then save it to your computer. So go to Share, Download. I will choose JPEG, Current Page. Now you can go to remove.bg and upload the image there. Now you can download your updated image. Download. Go back to Canva, upload this image through the upload section and add it to your design. Canva Pro is fast and easy. Remove.bg is a great free alternative outside of Canva. Which one are you going to use? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to VA Wonder for more Canva tutorials every week. And if you have a question, let me know in the comments. I might make a video just for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.